Hey everybody, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself world, the Off-Grid Project, and DIY Tube video community. This is something for you today. This is a giveaway. Some of you may remember the folding solar panel that I opened up and I am reviewing. They said they want to give one away to one of you guys, one of my viewers. So this is simply to show you what you're going to get. And then I'll go into how to get one for your, how to enter for a chance to get one for yourself. This is the PWPam 21 watt solar charger, and it has something unique that you don't see every day. Oh look, it's already charging. The light is on. This has the what is it called? The small USB output. I forgot the name for that. It's new to me. But Type C, the Type C USB output. That's unique. Plus the two standard USB outputs. So that is usually only found on incredibly expensive folding solar panels. Something else I'd like to mention. You can see the nice size of it. It does fold up very small though for the road. Alright, not big at all when it's folded up, but what I'd like to mention is they said that the solar cells used on these are also the same type that you find in much more expensive models. And this is one of the most affordable models I've ever seen for its size and wattage rating. So you get the folding solar panel, which you can hang on your backpack or boat, camper, wherever. It's got two hooks here. 4 actually. It's got the loops. 6. It's got loops everywhere. 8. All kinds of loops for hanging this. So you can hang it any way you want. It's pretty much water resistant, so you can use it out in the rain. It comes with your carry bag, which is nice, and some carabiners so you can hook it onto your gear as you go, and of course the instructions. So one of these can be yours and will be mailed directly to your home. And all you have to do is go to DIY Tube. If you have an account already, go ahead and simply write, I want the PWPam folding solar panel. I'll put the lines down below. You can even copy and paste it. And you'll be entered in a chance to win this. Now it's got to be on DIY Tube. You got to do it on DIY Tube. And bonus, you write a comment on DIY Tube, you get paid. Everybody earns cryptocurrency, our own coin, DIY Tube coins. So that's a bonus. You can go ahead over there and start earning some crypto. Go on over there. I'll put the link down below. If you don't have an account, create an account. Say I want a PWPam folding solar panel, and in 1 week, somebody will be chosen by a computer-generated random number. And the company will send you one directly to your home address. So that's part of the reason I need you to have an account, so I have your email on there. So when you sign up, use a real email address. It won't be used for anything else ever, just so I can contact you and tell you you won, and ask you for your home address so they can mail it to you. That's it, guys. We're going to start the giveaways on DIY Tube again. Every so often we're going to give away free products on DIY Tube just to help give back to the community. It's Troy from the Do-It-Yourself world, the Off-Grid Project, and DIY Tube video community. This is a really cool product, and stay tuned for the final review coming soon.